Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the another series and the videos that I'm posting at every Wednesday at 6 p.m. And I'm sure that you have watched the previous videos that I'm posting every Wednesday. And if you have not watched, then it's absolutely okay. I understand that you are so busy in your life with your child, with your other responsibilities, that you may have forgotten to watch the videos. But it's absolutely okay. You can just subscribe to my channel and watch the previous videos at your comfort zone. And just watch the previous videos because the way I am designing all the videos are like the Netflix series because every video is related to the other thing, and in every video I am talking to something that is related to our lives, that is related to our mindset or the problems that we face in our day-to-day lives. And when you will spare these 10 minutes of yours in watching this video, you are going to get a lot of insight. And this 10 minutes will definitely save a lot of time of yours when in future, anytime this situation will come in front of you, you will instantly be able to relate that yes, this is I have studied from there and now this is how I have to apply this. So eventually, this 10 minutes is gonna save a lot of hours of yours in your lifestyle. So I hope you are ready, and if you have not subscribed, do subscribe the channel because since the life is so busy, we forget to watch the important things. But when you will subscribe, you will get the notification on every Wednesday at 6 p.m. and then you can spare 10 minutes from your busy lifestyle. So with this, let's begin today's topic. डू यू एवर वंडर वाई यू कांट रिलैक्स? क्या आपके साथ ऐसा कभी होता है कि आपका जो माइंड है वो बिल्कुल रुकता ही नहीं है, उसमें बहुत थाउजेंड थॉट्स चलते रहते हैं कि या आपको हमेशा टेंशन फील होती है? अगर पीसफुल सिचुएशंस होती है लाइफ में तब भी आपके माइंड में कुछ ना कुछ टेंशन चल रही होती है, या आपको ऐसे लगता है कि अगर मुझे कोई सपोर्ट दे रहा है देन ऑल्सो यू डोंट फील कंफर्टेबल फ्रॉम इनसाइड, और या आपको लगता है कि आप कुछ भी कर रहे हैं, योर ब्रेन इज ऑलवेज गिविंग द सिग्नल कि कुछ गलत तो नहीं हो जाएगा, कुछ गलत तो नहीं हो जाएगा. इफ दैट साउंड्स लाइक यू, देन लिसन टू मी. You are not dramatic, you are not weak, and you are definitely not broken in your life. It is just that you are living in survival mode and your body is trying to protect you. बिकॉज इट इज पॉसिबल कि बहुत सालों से आपको कोई हर्ट हुआ हो या अकेलापन महसूस हुआ हो या किसी ने आपको बिट्रे किया हो या आप ओवर स्ट्रेस हो, तो आपका जो नर्वस सिस्टम है उसने ये सीख लिया है कि मुझे इसी मोड में रहना है, एंड इसका मतलब है दैट यू हैव टू स्टे अलर्ट ऑल द टाइम. इसलिए हम हमेशा सोचते रहते हैं, ओवर थिंक करते रहते हैं या हमेशा स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन में रहते हैं. बट the same mechanism that once protected you is now keeping you from feeling peace, joy and connection in your lives. Because अब आपको उन सबसे डर लगता है because your brain is trained that this is what is there in my life for so many years, and your brain is feeling comfortable with that particular thing only. So today I'm going to share 10 powerful steps to feel emotionally safe again in your life. And step number 1, just acknowledge the fact that this survival mode is a nervous system state, not a personality. कई बार हमें ऐसे लगता है कि हम जो ये सोच रहे हैं ये मेरी पर्सनैलिटी बन गई है, ये मेरी जिंदगी बन गई है, बट ऐसा नहीं होता. There is absolutely nothing wrong with you or anyone. हमारी जो बॉडी है, जो हमारा माइंड है, उसने ये अडेप्ट कर लिया है ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ सो मेनी इयर्स, मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ सो मेनी सफरिंग्स, कि अब आपको लगता है कि दिस इज माय पर्सनालिटी, व्हिच इज नॉट ट्रू. स्टेप नंबर 2, स्टॉप जजिंग योर रिएक्शंस. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि आप फ्रीक आउट हो जाते हो, आप शट डाउन हो जाते हो, आप ओवर थिंकिंग मोड में चले जाते हो, एंड या आप खुद से या सबसे डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाते हो. सो दीज इमोशंस आर बेसिकली प्रोटेक्शन फॉर यू इन योर लाइफ. And it does not mean that you have failed in your life. Step number 3, create physical safety first. Because सबसे पहले आपको अपने आप को शांत और सुरक्षित करना है, and you can do it with very simple exercise. Just slow breathe in and breathe out. Slow breathe in and breathe out. And now just ground your body. Place one hand on your heart. Feel your feet. Feel your body. Feel how your feet are touching to the ground, how your hands are supporting you in your life, and how your body is guiding you in your life. Because safety begins in the body, not the mind. Step number 4, slow down the pace. बिकॉज कई बार हमें लगता है कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा वर्क कर रहे हैं और हम रेस्ट बिल्कुल भी नहीं करते हैं एंड हमें लगता है कि पता नहीं ये सब मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, मैं इतनी इमोशनली ओवरलोडेड क्यों हूँ. सो टुडे आई वांट टू से दैट इफ यू आर रेस्टिंग दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट यू आर लेजी. It is just a regulation that your body needs in your life. And number 5, and it is very important, learn to receive support. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें लगता है कि हम सब कुछ खुद मैनेज कर लेंगे, हम घर भी मैनेज कर लेंगे, हम बच्चे भी मैनेज कर लेंगे, हम ऑफिस भी मैनेज कर लेंगे, हम सारे रिलेशंस भी मैनेज कर लेंगे. पर प्रैक्टिकली ऐसा होता नहीं है एंड उसकी वजह से आप इमोशनली ओवरलोड हो जाते हैं, ओवरथिंक करते हैं, स्ट्रेस आता है. सो माय जेंटल एडवाइस इज दैट delegate the tasks which are not so important for you and also seek help from your elders, your siblings, your relations wherever possible. जहाँ आपको लगता है कि ये मैं नहीं कर पा रही, don't hesitate and just have support from your family and friends. Step number 6, build internal safety. हम बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम सबसे रिलेशनशिप बना लेते हैं बट खुद से रिलेशन नहीं बना पाते. In that case, self-talk helps a lot. So, from today onwards, I would suggest that you should speak very gently and very politely with yourself. Step number 7, set healthy boundaries. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि सपोज आप रेस्ट करना चाहते हो लेकिन आपको लगता है अगर मैं रेस्ट करूंगी तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे. बट इस केस में आपको you should create some healthy boundaries and inform your family in advance that I'm feeling tired and I want to rest for half an hour. So please don't disturb me. So this is not selfish. This is basically emotional oxygen for you in your life. And जब आप ऐसा करेंगे आप देखेंगे कि आपका mental pressure overload कम हो जाता है. Step number 8, stop trying to be strong all the time. हम वुमेन लेडीज के साथ सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि हमें लगता है कि हम सबके सामने स्ट्रांगली एक्ट करेंगे, हम अपने इमोशंस को छुपा सकते हैं, हम किसी को कुछ नहीं बताएंगे एंड वील कीप ऑन वर्किंग. बट लेट मी टेल यू माय डियर ब्यूटीफुल सोल सिस्टर, कुछ भी छुपाना इज नॉट द सॉल्यूशन फॉर योर लाइफ बिकॉज इन दिस वे यू आर जस्ट सप्रेसिंग योर इमोशंस. सो आई वांट टू सजेस्ट दैट सप्रेसिंग इमोशंस इन योर लाइफ इज नॉट रॉन्ग एंड इट इज नॉट गिल्ट. स्टेप नंबर 9, हील द ओरिजिनल वुंड्स. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम अपनी फिजिकल बॉडी पे काम कर रहे हैं, आसपास एनवायरनमेंट पे काम कर रहे हैं एंड हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम के रूट कॉज पे नहीं जाते. So it is very important to identify the root cause. Only then you will be able to heal yourself in your life. There are a lot of healing techniques which you can use in which we go to the root cause and then identify why this problem is coming again and again in your life. And this is exactly what I'm going to teach in my community, wherein the women will be able to heal their emotional wounds or maybe their past wounds in their lives. And the last step is that practice self-connection with yourself. Because when you will love yourself, you will feel calm, you will feel consistent, and you will feel stable within yourself. Once you will start doing that, you will see everything around you will become very beautiful. So I hope now you have got the clarity about the 10 steps that I have just discussed. And if you have not understood, you can rewatch the video. And I'm sure these steps will help you in calming down your emotional pattern a lot in your life. So in the end, I just want to say कि हो सकता है कि आप ऐसे मोड पे बहुत सालों से रह रहे हो एंड अब आपको लगता है जो सेफ्टी होती है वो मेरे लिए कुछ नया सा चैप्टर है. आई कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट सेफ्टी इन माई लाइफ, कि मेरी लाइफ में तो हमेशा कुछ होता रहता है. And and you feel that you cannot receive love in your life, you feel that you cannot have abundance in your life. So I just want to say that you don't have to live defensively anymore in your life. You just need to learn how to regulate your emotions in your life. You just need to know how you can protect yourself from everything. You don't have to live like this anymore. You don't have to protect everything at one go. You are safe. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to feel your emotions in your life. And your nervous system can relearn how to have peace in their lives. Your body can relearn. Your heart can reopen. And you don't have to rush. Just take one step at a time. So I hope now you have got the clarity about how you can achieve anything and everything that you want to achieve in your life. And if you want such motivational videos, and if you want to be a part of a community wherein every day we are talking about such motivation in your life, we are giving you step by step techniques how you can regulate your emotions, how you can identify your purpose of life, and how you can have your own identity in your life. So do join my WhatsApp community wherein I am nurturing women, and they will have the holistic growth of their life, be it spirit, and therein I am nurturing women wherein I am working on the holistic growth of women, be it physical, mental, spiritual, emotional, social, and there you will get a lot of like-minded women like you who are always there to help each other, to nurture each other, and uplift each other in their lives. So the link is there in the description below. Do join my WhatsApp group, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to my channel so that you will get regular updates of the video. And do share this video to one woman, because you never know whose life is gonna change by watching this video, and in this way you can also gain some positive karmas in your life. With this, I sign off. I am Dr. Swati Goyal, Life Purpose and Emotional Healing Coach. Thank you.